Marcus from Heeltoe Automotive here, and I've got another short unboxing here for you. This is a Synchrotech rebuild kit for a K-Series transmission. Somebody got this for their 05 TSX, and we sell these from time to time. I just wanted to do a quick one-handed unboxing here to show you what's included in this Synchrotech transmission rebuild kit. So a lot of times you need to take your transmission out to replace a clutch or something, and you know, people find it pretty handy to go ahead and rebuild their transmission once they're in there. The dreaded packing peanuts, those are horrible. And within, we've got synchronizers. These are the carbon lined Synchros, so there's actually two pieces here, an inner and an outer, and then this outer piece engages with little slides that go back and forth between the gears and help the different gears engage. Sometimes the factory Synchros wear out. These actually provide a little bit more smooth shift and smooth engagement. Unfortunately, sometimes the synchronizer teeth on the gears themselves wear out. This kit won't really help you with that. So if you need a new gear, sometimes it's a different deal. But new synchronizers with carbon line is definitely a nice feature to have. And then we've got springs. These springs work with the synchronizers to keep everything kind of cinched together a little bit. And then this rebuild kit also comes with bearings and seals. There's another bearing. These are all genuine parts that you get with this kit, which is pretty nice. You know, you want to have good factory parts in there. You can also see that these bearings are, yeah, they say Nachi on them. So if you do find any like aftermarket bearings, Nachi or NTN or something like that, they're still going to be OE manufacturer and pretty good replacements. But you know, we like the knowledge that the parts that we're putting in are actually like factory quality. All the O-rings and everything in here are going to be genuine parts, except for the synchronizers, which themselves are upgraded. So that's this upgrade kit from Synchrotech for rebuilding the transmission. Yeah, we saw a pretty fair amount of these, and depending on what year your TSX is, you're going to end up getting a slightly different kit. So we've got that labeled on our website. If you have any confusion as to which kit you should be buying, just let us know. Heeltoe is in your corner. This is me, Marcus, and you can contact us directly for any questions or concerns on any Honda or Acura parts, especially Synchrotech. We're the #1 Honda fans, and we hope you're fans of ours.